Okay, Eva, get down. Get down. Okay. Now, Eva. Eva, wait. Eva, are you ready? You're recording this. Bella, you're ready? Eva, you need to get down. Get down, yeah. No, not inside the table. Okay, don't fight, don't fight, don't fight. Don't fight, no fighting. Okay, Eva, come on, come out. Okay, come here. What I'm going to do today is I am going to place 4 objects. Eva, Bella, you freak out when you see these 4 objects. You know what are they? A vacuum cleaner, a hair dryer, a hair straightener, and a trimmer. So I'm going to place all these 4 objects in front of you, and I will place a treat on top of them, and I may also turn them on. So it's your choice. You can either eat that treat or you can leave that treat. Okay? No rules. Got it? But I would really love to see that you go for those treats. Okay, Eva? Round 1 is a vacuum cleaner. Eva, you freak out when you see a vacuum cleaner, right? So I'm going to place this treat, right, small treat on top of it, and you can go and have it. Go. Go, get it. Go get it. Eva, you don't want the treat? You don't want the treat? Go get it. It's here. Come on. Hey, it's here. See, I placed it here. Come on. Good girl, Eva. Good girl. Bella? Bella, I'm going to place a treat. You can eat it. Go. Go get it. Good. Fine. Fine. Eva, what I'm going to do now is turn it on. Okay? And then place a treat. You understand? All right. Go. Eva, go get it. Go. Eva, go get it. Eva, go get it. Go. You don't want the treat? Go get the treat, Eva. You don't want the treat? Shall I make it easier for you? Okay, let me just put a drop of honey on it. Let's see what you do. If you want, you can have it. If you don't want it, you can, skip this part. No problem with it. Okay? The cleaner goes on. Go. Eva, go. Go. Bella, you want it? Go, there is honey. Go. Good girl, Bella. That's my good girl. You want this kibble? You want this kibble? Bella, go get it. Go. Good girl. Bella is a good girl. So girls, ready for round 2? Okay, round 2 will be a hair dryer. Okay, you are getting anxious enough now. All you need to do is have the treat. And you can leave it if you want to. Okay, don't get irritated. Eva, stay, 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 go. Good girl. It's easy. Bellu. Bellu, stay, stay. Go. Good girls. Now I'm going to turn it on. Right? Huh? And put a treat. Stay. Go. Eva. Eva. Bella. Ah, Bella is no problem, right? Bella, you want another treat? Go, Bella, go get it. Go get the treat. Bella, go. Okay, good. Hello. Eva, where are you? Where are you gone? Hey. You don't want any more treats, Eva? Come on, come out. Good girl. Oh. All right, Eva doesn't want to play this game. Eva, come here. Come here. You can do this. Come on. You can do this. Mama? Yes, good girl. Now I'm going to turn it on. Come on. Eva. Go. Eva. Go get it. Eva. Go get it. Eva. Go get it. Go. Good girl, Eva. Good girl. You want another one? No? Go get it. That's my good girl. You want a drop of honey? You want a drop of honey on it? Yes. Go get the honey. Go. Eva, go. Eva, go get the honey. That is a good girl. Go. Come on. Go. Go, Mama. No, you don't want the honey? Come on, go. Alright, Bella, you can have the honey, huh? Good. Now, time for round 3. It's a trimmer, okay? Now be careful, okay? I'm going to place the tree, I'm going to turn it upside down. Alright, so that you don't have to, you don't, just stay away from this part, okay? Don't want to injure you. Now, go. Yes, go. Come on. Go, another one. Go take this one. Good dog. Now let me turn it on. Come on, Eva, go get it, go. Go get it. Go. Eva, go get it. Don't be so scared. Okay, fine. Bella. Hey, it's a trimmer. Sniff it out. Now, have a treat. Have a treat. Go, get the treat. Okay, good girl. Now I'm going to turn it upside down and I'm going to turn it on. No, move away. Okay, fine. Okay. Now is a treat. Go get it. Good girl. Is another treat. Go get it. Good girl. Good girl, you're not even scared. Bella, did you lose any of your mustache? Just show me. No, I think they are intact. Good. Now comes this one. Hey Eva, are you going to play? Eva, are you going to play? Why? What happened? Why, you don't like this game? Bella is doing great. Bella is doing great, Mama. Bella is doing great, no? Bella is so brave. Bella, the final round is a hair straightener. Okay. I'm not going to turn it on because it heats up. So all you have to do is go inside and get this treat and come back. Okay? Hey, come on, get inside, get this treat. Come back. Good girl, good girl. Another one? You want another treat? Here, go, 2 more treats. Yeah, good, come on. Come on, go get it. Good girl, good girl. That's my good girl. Eva. Eva. Evo. Evo, are you playing? Eva, my good girl, where are you? You want to play? Alright, fine, we will play this game. Come on!